people got a job based on what they looked like, what job would you give me? If people got a job based on what they looked like, what job would you give me? What's the face you make when someone you don't like walks in the room?
Bongo la, bongo cha cha cha.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Bongo la, bongo cha cha cha.
Oh my God, it's gone. It's a big ass spider. Oh, there she goes.
We can't even let other black men who have been punked out on some weirdo stuff come and tell us that nonsense. You know, as a black man, I know we have the power to oppress women. Hell, explain to me what they you own. What Fortune 500?
No, ma'am. You messing up my rug at the same time. Big ass brown spider.
Show me how you oppress it.
Okay, so I decided to jump on the liquid chlorophyll bandwagon. I take this spoon and I fill it up with the liquid chlorophyll. And I don't put mine in water, I just take it. I love the taste. Here's my bottle of water and I drink the full bottle. So here's part 2 of drinking liquid chlorophyll. I got mine off Amazon for about a year ago. It was no more than $13, $14. I drank my whole bottle of water. But you can also take cranberry extract pills. I got this from Amazon. It was like $12 to $13. And you get 120. But Walmart cranberry pills work faster. These took a little bit past 3 days. And it kind of made me queasy the first time I took them. And I think I know why. Because they are 25,000 milligrams. So, you know it's the pandemic. And you're in the house. Why would you want to put on deodorant? All that, those chemicals that's in deodorant. So, taking this will help you not want to smell bad. It's an inside body deodorizer. So, we don't wear deodorant in this house. Since we have to be in the house, why put it on? I'm not going outside. So, you can take either or. They both get the job.
Come say goodbye. Where's Jay? Sleep in the car. When do you fly? Tonight. Everything's sorted out.